Hey, what's up? It's your Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now, today we're going to be taking a little break from smartphones and laptops. That's because we're taking a look at the mirrorless camera, and not just any mirrorless camera, we're taking a look at the new Fujifilm X-E4. Fujifilm's X-E series serves as a mainstream mirrorless camera for most consumers who want the features of the X-T series at a more affordable price. The X-E series is also more compact than the X-T series, making it more ideal for those who want a compact setup, or even vloggers and photographers who are just starting out. And this year, Fujifilm has made the X-E4 available in the Philippines, and we got to try their latest compact mirrorless camera for a few weeks. And since we're going to be doing a little he said, she said, I'll be sharing my opinions from a vlogger's perspective. And to share her thoughts as a photographer, we have a very, very special guest. My girlfriend, Ju Garcia.
Hi guys, it's me, Ju. Actually, I've loved photography since I was in college. It's something I tried dabbling in, fell in love with. Because of the pandemic though, I might have gotten a bit rusty, but nothing picking up a camera can't fix.
So yeah, here are 5 things we love about the X-E4 and why it's perfect for all those beginners out there. Number 1. It's compact. Staying true to its lineage, the X-E4 is compact yet packs serious hardware. In fact, it's like a shrunken down version of Fujifilm's revered X100V series, with its electronic viewfinder and overall form factor with the arrangement of the buttons and dials. It's pretty amazing that Fujifilm managed to preserve its legacy design language on the X-E4, while making it the smallest X-mount camera in the market right now. Like I said, this camera is perfect for beginners, especially because it's so compact and easy to bring around. And the size is also not so intimidating if you're just starting out. What do you think, Trout?
So at first glance, it's so cute for a super compact camera. It's like a digicam from ages ago, but I'm pretty sure it has better features that we'll talk about later. It looks still very much like a Fujifilm camera, unlike digicams, which are a bit plain. My only problem with it is it has no grip, and that could pose a problem, especially for the clumsier photographers like I am. There is a strap that comes with it, which totally remedies that.
Number 2. Great for run and gun shooting. When paired with the XF 27mm f2.8 RWR pancake lens, the X-E4 is a very compact mirrorless camera. You can easily slip it into your body bag for those times you prefer a minimalist setup. And this camera lens combo makes it a perfect tool for street photography, as the 27mm focal length of the pancake lens and its f2.8 aperture makes it great for taking quick snaps while you're on the go. When you're starting out as a vlogger, you might not know that much about different types of lenses, or you simply just don't own that many. This pancake lens is a great entry because it's compact and takes some really good shots without putting too much strain on your wrists when you're practicing. And of course, if you're new to this, you're gonna be doing a lot of practicing.
I have to agree with Cholo here that the lens and body combination is super perfect, especially for traveling. As I mentioned earlier, there's no grip on this camera, so it could pose a problem when you use a zoom lens. Speaking from experience, whenever I travel, I actually forget, whenever I bring 2 lenses, a zoom and a pancake, I kind of forget that I even bring a zoom lens, so that's pretty fine. I'd like to think that this combination though is very perfect, not just because of the weight distribution, but because a pancake lens is both, a really good all-rounder and perfect for beginners as well.
Number 3. Flexible video recording options. The X-E4's 26.1 megapixel X-Trans sensor lets you shoot 4K 30 4x2x0 8-bit video downsampled from 6K at up to 200 Mbps. Man, that's a mouthful. But it's a feat you would rarely see on a mirrorless camera this small. And despite the fact that I personally usually shoot at full HD, it's really nice we get this killer option in such a small form factor. But if, like me, full HD video is your thing, the X-E4 can shoot up to 240 FPS for that excellent slow-mo footage.
I'm not exactly a vlogger, I'm basically your consumer. But as a consumer, I can totally see the difference between the photos and the videos. Sometimes you're not even using the same device, and here you are with one that can do both, so why not make use of it, right?
Number 4. Extremely useful flip display. Flip displays are all the rage in mirrorless cameras right now, and the X-E4 steps things up with its dual articulating design. This lets you flip the touchscreen to face you seamlessly. And guys, it's super useful and convenient. I don't even know how I was able to survive without a flip display back with my old camera. I can shoot B-roll and all kinds of footage from more creative angles because it's that easy to view the display. And as a vlogger, you're gonna have to shoot yourself a lot. And needless to say, a flip display is gonna be very, very useful for that.
In fewer words, it's a godsend. So if your camera's from up top, you can flip it down to you. And if it's from below, you can just flip the screen up towards you. Kind of eliminates the back and forth process, and you get your money shot a bit earlier, don't you think?
And last but not the least, number 5. It has all the essential ports. Aside from a flippable display, the X-E4 has the right set of ports that vloggers and photographers will often look for. A mini HDMI port for letting you record higher resolution 10-bit 4K video through an external recorder, a USB-C port that also doubles as the camera's charging port and headphone jack with the included adapter, and of course a 3.5mm microphone jack for allowing vloggers to use external microphones for better audio quality. Everything a beginner vlogger would need in terms of ports. And yeah, being able to charge this thing directly with a cable takes a lot of hassle out of charging the battery.
It's kind of amazing how we're at that age where we could just charge a camera through a power bank and it's just in your bag. You don't have to look for a charging port from point A to point B. And that's not even to say you're not on the go, right? Kind of gives a different dimension to traveling life.
So yeah, that's the 5th point, and thank you so much, Trout, for joining me for the video. It really means a lot, and thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Bye! Thanks for having me! Hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed it, and see you someday.
So there you have it. 5 things we love about the Fujifilm X-E4 and why it's perfect for beginners. And of course, for those veterans out there, this is also a really good camera to try out. Beginners are gonna find it super fun and super easy to learn Fujifilm style of photography and videography. And of course, veterans are gonna find all these quality of life features really convenient for their professional work. This was actually my first ever Fujifilm mirrorless camera and I've never used one before. So yeah, it was such a treat to use this thing. And if you're planning to buy one for yourself, the X-E4 is priced at 47,990 pesos for the body only. And that's 59,990 pesos with the XF 27mm f2.8 RWR pancake lens. You can check out reviews on this and many other tech on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when you hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.